Ako day. Daghan ang ikaw, Mac, gamay ra. Good morning, Kamasaro. Kamasaro, Warbeta, please join again to my membership. I know you were a member last time. Hi. Hi, H. Hi, good afternoon. How things going with you? I'm fine. I just cleaned the aquarium. It's morning here. Hello, Betty Brussels. Underwater. Hi, good morning to my 26 viewers. Please welcome. Guys, I have my Patreon. If you want to watch my Patreon, there's a Patreon link I put in my profile. You want me to see more sexy? Also my Patreon. I didn't see you. Yeah, many days because I was demonetized. My channel is back on June 24. Yeah, I was live last June 24 5. I start my live stream, but please join again to my membership, Kamazaro Warabeta. I know you are member last time on my channel. I hope you will join, support my channel. Okay. Hello guys. So many fish. Hello Jocelyn. Hello Eljo. These 4 fish are in mud. It's an aquarium. There is no water over. There's water, but I need to clean it to changing water. Oh. I'll show you. I have some water there. Some there. I cleaned. I changed water. I get water and change another one. Somewhere. Hello, my 43 viewers.